fabulous home that looks like it came off of an HGTV show. It is spacious and has an open floor plan with a soothing paint palette and 14-feet ceilings. There is granite throughout and the kitchen overlooks the dining area. There is a half bath near living area. The master bedroom is huge with 20-feet cathedral ceilings. The master bath has double vanity, garden tub and separate shower along with 2 walk-in closets. The split floor plan has 2 bedrooms on the opposite side of the home and they are spacious with lots of closet space. The outdoor space has a large covered patio with a cabinet area that has wine cooler and brand new propane grill. The large backyard is open to your imagination with privacy fencing. The garage has a spacious storage room for all of the extras. More. This home is constructed with steel, concrete and brick, very sturdy.